Okay, hello everyone and welcome to Wilson and Family Kitchen. Today we are making inside-out dumplings. They're exactly what they sound like. They're dumplings that are inside out. Starting off, here are all our ingredients. Garlic, ginger, scallions, ground pork, wonton wraps, soy sauce, toasted sesame seeds, sesame oil, rice vinegar, and if you want, some goat sauce if you have any. So first I'm actually chopping up the garlic. So now, after we've chopped up our garlic, we're now going to open up our pork. So now we're going to add our garlic and ginger to the pork. And our egg. Oh yeah, you will need an egg. Now we're also going to chop up the scallion whites. Next up, we are going to add some sesame seeds. Now we're going to make a sauce, including some soy sauce, sesame oil, and some rice vinegar. There we go. Mix this up. Now pour just a bit of it, just a bit, into there. Now we're going to whisk it all up, get our meat done. Never mind, I may want a spatula.
You can always use your fingers.
We're doing the it's the raw egg that's getting me. It's mine. That was disgusting. So now we're going to add our oil for the remainder of our avocado. Okay, so now to make one of our inside-out dumplings. So this is our wonton wrap. Just a piece of wonton. Now we're going to want to spread it pretty thin across. That was fast. It's kind of faster than I expected. We're going to make a couple more, then I'm going to put them in the pan when the oil's ready. You want it spread thin so it cooks evenly throughout and it doesn't burn the wonton while it's cooking. There. Okay, so, since it's sizzling, we can tell that the oil is most likely reaching ready status, basically. And so, the way you put it in the pan is meat down. I think they look pretty good. And everyone, leave what you think in the comments of how these look. And please like and subscribe. We could really use the support. We're closing in on 400. Maybe even have that many by the time this video is released. But yeah, let's please get to 400. I'm very excited. I've been waiting for a while. Woo-hoo. This is one of our Inside-Out half, whatever it is. We don't actually have a name for it. I'm just saying what it is. If you want, you can put like some carrots or something in there. We're putting some of that sauce we made and some scallions in. Just I love that. Excellent. Make sure to make this. Thank you for watching. That is all for today in Wilson and Family Kitchen. Please leave a like and subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye. Oh, of course this. Of course this. Come on. Just flip. Come on. It's not that. Come on. Oh. This is very embarrassing.
You do know how to use scissors, right? Doesn't seem like it.